Hey, it's Mordecai Arba, founder and CEO of Ficomant, and I want to personally congratulate you on taking action today. You're just a few moments away from making sales using our 3 simple tricks. But first, I want to assure you that you now have everything you need to make those sales. That said, I know for a fact that some sellers are almost giving up, but still want to give it a last try. Now you want to make sales, and you also want to be profitable really fast. I'm not just talking about optimizing your Shopify store. I'm talking about your Facebook ads and the products you test. And this includes your super low conversions too. Those things can be the number one reason for not making any sales when you test new products or niches. And so many sellers write to me asking me how to make sales on their Shopify store. And the real question is, how do you do it without wasting a lot of money? The answer, we do this every single day. We've spent hours, days, or even months testing almost any method out there until we found something that actually works for us. That something is called the 3 essential tricks. A fully detailed cheat sheet with everything you need to land your first sales. We would usually sell it for $47, but today you can have it for only $3. Yep, that's it. Seriously, it's cheaper than a cup of coffee. I'm talking about Starbucks coffee. You know, the one you can get with a coupon from home while staying in bed, even if you are not into coffee. Anyhow, back to you making those sales happen. $3. This is your investment today to finally make your first sales. Reserve our 3 essential tricks cheat sheet right now, and all you need to do is click the Yes, I need these tricks button you see below, and I'll give you access right away, and do it for only $3. This is all it takes. You will get instant access to our 3 essential tricks for no more than $3. Claim it right now, or if you want more information, feel free to read the short article below, and I will see you on the next page.